Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to add Imgur images or albums directly to your WordPress website, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to get the Imgur widget inside your WordPress site, even if you're a total beginner. Let's make your website more dynamic and visually engaging in just a few clicks. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com and log into your account. If you want to save time, I recommend logging in using your Google account. It's fast, secure, and convenient. Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, look to the right-hand panel and find the Quick Links section. From there, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the WordPress site editor, where you can customize your pages and add different content blocks. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the site editor, go to the top left corner and click on the Add button. It's the plus icon. A search bar will appear. Type Imgur into the filter or search bar. You'll see an option called Imgur Embed. Click on that block to add it to your page or post. Next, open a new tab and go to imgur.com. Browse through and find the image, album, or meme you want to display on your site. Once you've found it, click on the Watch Your Share or Embed option, then copy the embed's code provided by Imgur. Go back to your WordPress editor, click on the Imgur block you just added, and paste the embed code there. And that's it. Your Imgur content will automatically load and display beautifully on your WordPress page. You can resize or move the block around to fit your layout however you like. This simple method makes it super easy to bring eye-catching visuals from Imgur right onto your site. Perfect for blog posts, galleries, or any creative project you're working on. It's fast, clean, and keeps your site looking fresh and interactive. And there you go. You've successfully added the Imgur widget to your WordPress site in just a few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next full guide.